Good afternoon, my friends. So I have exciting news to share with all of you today. If you have been anxiously waiting for a new fourth stimulus check, well, you may be in line to receive a payment worth up to $1,000 this month. Our Democratic lawmakers in the Senate are making huge developments on President Biden's legislative agenda. Senate Democrat Joe Manchin has put forward a new relief proposal. So friends, please make sure to watch until the end of this video if you would like to receive another stimulus check. And do share this video with your friends and family if they need more reliable stimulus news. And if you're interested in entering this coming Friday's Walmart gift card giveaway, when I'll be giving away 3 $75 Walmart gift cards, please, my friends, listen for the keyword from this video.
As President Biden begins the most important foreign trip of his presidency, the best thing the Senate can do this week is pass PNTR legislation to land another devastating blow on Putin's economy. Over the past few weeks, Republicans have complained that President Biden hasn't acted quickly enough against Putin. Yet for the past few days, they have stymied swift action on PNTR, despite the fact that the House approved it 424-8, with Leader McCarthy supporting it. In particular, the senior senator from Idaho has sought to amend the bill to include an oil ban. We're willing to work with Senator Crapo to address his concerns, but there are a few reasons we should move quickly with PNTR. First, President Biden has already implemented a ban on Russian oil and gas, so passing this legislation is not a priority the way PNTR is. Second, there remain serious questions about whether the proposal from Republicans would delay the ban on buying Russian oil for a period of time. This is a consequence.
So friends, here is some big news. We could see Senate Democrat Joe Manchin support President Biden's legislative agenda very soon. Senate Democrats are now laboring to address a big demand from Senator Joe Manchin of West Virginia, the Democratic holdout that has been an obstacle in the way of passing the bill to President Biden's desk for his signature. Just in recent days, Democrats across 4 committees scheduled hearings on major planks of the shelved social and climate spending legislation, such as child care, clean energy, and in-home care for the elderly. Today, the Senate Health, Education, Labor, and Pensions panel also held a hearing on child care and universal pre-K. Senator Patty Murray of Washington told reporters, "Let's lower child care costs for as many working parents as we can. Let's offer parents more options." Other panels holding hearings in the coming days include Senate Aging and the Senate Environment and Public Works panel. The Senate Finance Committee also had a hearing on lowering prescription costs last week. So friends, Joe Manchin has long prized bipartisanship, urging Democrats to seek Republican votes on other parts of their agenda, such as expanding voting rights. But he was left with little to show for it last summer and ended up opposing bypassing the 60-vote threshold for Democrats to approve a set of bills. Republicans are also lined up in opposition to President Biden's economic package. They have criticized its planned tax hikes on the wealthy and large companies, along with its spending to transition the U.S. away from fossil fuels towards cleaner energy sources. But that hasn't stopped Joe Manchin from urging Democrats to set up hearings on the House-approved Build Back Better bill. Democrats cannot sidestep Republicans and approve the spending plan on their own without full Democratic support in the 50-50 Senate. The conservative West Virginia Democrat has provided mixed signals about his priorities. He sketched out a slimmer bill that's more focused on prescription savings, stepping up taxes on the rich, climate-related spending, and deficit reduction that could get his vote. Now, it's also known that Joe Manchin does support passing the extension of the monthly child tax credit payments. However, he wants some changes to be made. Manchin is sticking by a position he's expressed for at least 4 months now. He only wants working parents to get the expanded child tax credit. Joe Manchin told Insider, "I've been basically very clear on that. I think there should be a work requirement. The move to require proof of taxable income would lock out the poorest families, those with no income at all or not enough to file federal income taxes, from being able to receive checks under the expanded child tax credit. Previously, most families, including those where parents had no income in the previous year, were eligible for monthly checks. But many experts say that adding the work requirement onto the federal aid could pose a fresh hurdle for even middle-income households. Other parents could be working as a freelancer and file a different tax form that would not be eligible. So my friends, what are your thoughts on this? Do you think that there should be a work requirement for the expanded child tax credit payments? Please let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. Friends, the keyword for this video is snow peas. If you would like to enter this coming Friday's Walmart gift card giveaway, when I'll be giving away 3 $75 Walmart gift cards, please make sure you click and like my videos. Comment below the keyword from each video that you watch, and also do verify that you are subscribed to my channel. Thank you so much, friends. In some places where gas prices are usually higher already, like the city of Los Angeles, we've seen figures topping $6 per gallon, which can be a very tough pill to swallow, especially if your life forces you to drive a lot. According to a report published by Business Insider, the federal government is trying to put together a stimulus rebate program to help. And if passed, it would see $100 stimulus payments plus an additional $100 per dependent made monthly, as long as the average gas price is above $4 per gallon. This program would have an income cap, which is not surprising. Individuals filing as single on their taxes would be eligible as long as they earn less than $80,000 per year, while joint filers could make up to $160,000 before the rebate was phased out for them. So friends, it is great to see that some of our lawmakers are working to help the American people during this difficult time. Well, my good friends, that is the end of my daily stimulus update video. Thank you very, very, very much for everyone who's joined me here today and watching my videos daily. I greatly appreciate all of you. Please do me a big favor, friends, and share this video with your friends and family if they need more reliable and accurate stimulus information. And if you would like to enter this coming Friday's $75 Walmart gift card, please make sure you click and like my videos. Comment below the keyword from each video that you watch, and make sure that you're also subscribed to my channel. Thank you very much, friends, and have a wonderful and blessed Wednesday.